Today we will be learning about changes around us. Okay, guys, so can you tell me what is common to all of these animations that you see on the screen?
In these animations, the time is going on, and these things are two things are growing, and else the mother two are um,
Okay, so basically you're saying that time is going forward, and in two of the animations, you see growth, and the other two you see some kind of change. Okay, so
yes, ma'am.
Shah Fazil, you want to say something? Okay, so Devansh says time. Okay, what else, guys? So we know time is going forward. What else? Okay, so basically, what all of these animations are showing you is that things around us constantly keep on changing. Okay, so the time changes, plants grow from seeds, flowers bloom, firecrackers burst, seasons change. So everything around us is constantly changing. Okay, so what is common to all of these things? What is common is change. Okay, so change is common to all of these. Okay, so today's topic is changes around us. Okay, all right, so let us look at this particular slide. So I have numbered images from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay, so I need you to tell me in the first image what is changing. Yes, Devansh, yeah, natural process as well. Yes, in the last position, excellent. Yes,
Ma'am, the kettles are moving.
yes. So if they are moving, then what is happening? The position is changing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent, very good. So in the first image, we can see the position is changing. The cattle or the person who's driving this cattle is moving from one location to another location. All right, can you tell me what is the change happening in image number two?
Ma'am, the cream is someone is dropping the cream on his or her hand.
Yes, okay. So what is the change? Okay, very good. So the cream is moving outside the tube, out of the tube. And Devansh and Fazil say that the shape and size, very good. Yes. So when I press the tube, the shape is changing. The size of it, I wouldn't say the
Yes.
size is changing, but yeah, the volume is definitely reducing. So when I press on it, the cream comes out onto the hand. So there these changes are happening. So in image number three, what is happening?
Ma'am, the ice cream is melting.
Excellent. Yes. So the ice cream is melting. All right. So in image number four, what is happening?
Ma'am, the matchstick is burning.
Matchstick is burning. Yes.
And ma'am, the second matchstick is moving to the second matchstick.
Very
Ma'am,
good. Okay.
that matchstick which is burning.
Very good. Yes. All right. And Devansh is saying heat energy is produced. Very good. Yes, heat energy is produced. All right. Let us look at image number five. Iron tool is melting. Yeah, so iron tool is not melting, it is bent. Okay, so the iron tool is bent. All right, so normally the iron tool is supposed to be straight, but in this case, the iron tool is bent. All right, so all right, let's look at image number six.
The water is flowing.
Okay, do you see water? Oh yeah, there is water. Okay, but yeah, all right, that is a change, yes. But I see a chain. What is happening to this chain? What iron is cold in water? Okay, so close enough. It is iron, but it's not hot iron. And what we are seeing over here is iron that is rusted. Okay, so iron that is rusted. So what you see is brown colored, um, chain. So this is nothing but rust. And what is rust? Do you guys know what rust
Ma'am,
is?
junk. Ma'am, junk.
Junk. Yeah, we could say that, yes. But how is rust formed? And air. Excellent. So when we have moisture in the air, okay, so whenever we have air and water, and that is iron is exposed to water and air, it reacts with the moisture and we end up getting rust. Okay, so basically, yeah, whenever something rusts, whenever iron rusts, it kind of becomes like junk for us, because it loses its sheen, it becomes old, it is yeah, I mean, it can also actually be dangerous. So if you ever cut your hand with something that has rust, or if you cut yourself with something that has rust, it could also infect you. Okay, so yeah, so basically we regard that as junk. But yeah, how does rust happen? It happens because iron reacts with the moisture present in the atmosphere. Okay, so can you tell me what's happening in image number 7? Okay, so can you tell me, well, so basically cooking. Okay, so the process that is happening over here is cooking. Yes, so we are cooking the eggs, and yeah, the egg is cooked. Excellent. All right. Okay. All right. So now, can you tell me what is the change that we see in image number 8? Excellent. Yes, it is a reversible change. What is the meaning of reversible change? You can reverse the process. Basically, anything when I change it and it comes back into its original form, it's a reversible change. Okay. So yeah, if I sleep on, or if I put my head on a pillow, then the pillow is going to squish and it's going to compress. But once I take out my weight off of the pillow will come back into its original form. So therefore that is a reversible process. So now can you guys tell me, if image number 7, cooking of eggs, is that a reversible process?
No, ma'am, it's irreversible.
It is irreversible. Very good. Once we cook the eggs, we cannot get back the eggs. So that is an irreversible process. Very good, Devan. All right. So now can you guys tell me? Okay. So Divya, it is called irreversible. Okay. So let me just type that in the chat box. So image number 7 is irreversible. All right. So opposite of reversible is irreversible. Okay, now guys, tell me what is the change that you see in image number 9?
Ma'am, it's irreversible change.
Very good. It is an irreversible change, but what is the change?
Ma'am, that corn, we cook that corn and then we cannot just reverse it into back that we get the raw corn again.
Excellent. Very good, Dhruvi. Okay,
Thank
so
you, ma'am.
so the corn is being cooked. So that is one change. The other change we also notice that there is heat coming from the coal. Okay, so the coal on the bottom is uh, the coal on the bottom is emitting heat. Okay, so it's producing heat. Okay, Divya. So it is, look at my chat. I'll also write it over here. So there are different kinds of changes, right? So some of these changes are permanent changes. Permanent changes meaning we cannot get them back to their original forms. Once it is changed, it is permanently changed. For example, if I break this pen right now, that's it. It's gone. It's permanently gone. I cannot get back the same original pen again. So that is a permanent change. Temporary change. So temporary change, we saw the example of the pillow squishing. So when I put my head onto the pillow, it changes temporarily, and when I remove my head off of the pillow, it comes back to its original form. So that is a temporary or reversible change. Okay, now there are other types of changes like natural changes. Can you guys give me an example of a natural change? Okay, so seed to tree, yes. Okay, guys, now can you give me examples of man-made changes?
Ma'am, cooking.
Cooking, yes, very good. What else? So honestly, I don't think man is doing much to decrease pollution. So most likely you can say, yeah, we are planting trees to reduce pollution. That is one of the man-made, changes that we are doing. But I would say more like we are actually increasing the pollution. Papers to paper bags. Yes, very good, Dhruvi. Wood into table. Excellent. So all of these are man-made changes. Okay, can you guys give me an example of fast changes? Ice into water. Is that a fast change or is that a slow change? Melting of ice. Burning of cracker. Excellent. Abhipragya, I don't think you introduced yourself.
Ma'am, burning woods.
Burning wood. Yes. Yeah. Is that a fast change? Okay, yeah. I would say, yeah, it is a fast change. Okay. Uh, corn into popcorn. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, like water cycle. Ma'am, water evaporates and make clouds.
Excellent. Yes, so that is a slow change. Very good. All right, Dhruvi, go ahead. Boiling of water. Yes. Yes, Dhruvi.
Seeds into plant.
Seeds into plant. Very good. That is a slow change. Yes. Ice cream into water. Ice to water. Okay. Ice cream into
Ma'am, because
melted
ice
ice.
melts into water. Melts.
Okay. Water to ice. Okay. Yes. Boiling of water. Yes. All right. Very good, guys. So you guys know quite a lot. Good. All right. So seeds into plant and then plant into tree. Very good. Yes, Dhruvi. Okay, guys. Can you tell me what is the meaning of factors? What is meant by the word factors? Factors of change. What does that mean?
By through which something is done.
By through which something is done. Excellent. Yes. So from which they change. Yes. So basically the reason or hold on. Yeah. So basically the reason or the cause for something to change, right? So not the cause, but more like what or the characteristic of that particular change. For example, if I say, I am fat, I am thin. So this is what I'm talking about my size. I'm talking about a characteristic of myself. I am short, I am tall. Again, I'm talking about my size. Okay. I am inside my house, I am outside my house. I am talking about my position. So these things are called characteristics or factors of change. So because of which you can tell things, because of which you can tell that something has changed. So that can be position, size, color, temperature, composition, internal structure, state, and shape. Now, for position, can you give me examples of change in position from all of these images? So you need to tell me what is an example of change in position from these images. Option 1, very good. Yes, image 1. Anything else? No. So I would just say image 1. All right. So change in position, image 1. So I'm just going to say 1 over here. Okay, so change in size. So can you tell me which images are showing change in size? Option 2, very good, yes. What else? Ice cream, yes. Option 3. Option 8, yes. Very good. All right, so I think that's it. Option 7, how is the size changing? Okay, so let me just write down option 2, 3, 4 first. Option 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay. So option 2, 3, 4, 8. Am I missing anything? We can make it big also. Option number 7. Okay, yeah. So if I spread the pan, like if I spread the eggs, it can become bigger in size. Okay, very good. Good logic. Yeah, so I'm just going to write 7 also, okay? Let's move on to color. Where all is the color changing?
Ma'am, eggs.
Eggs, 7, very good.
Ma'am, 9
Ma'am,
number.
9. Ma'am, 9
9,
number.
4
very
number.
good, yes.
Third. Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, fourth
Fourth.
one.
Fourth, very good, yes. Number 4, yes. Number 9, yes. Number 7, yes. Number 6, excellent. Yes, number 6 as well. Ice cream's flavor. Yeah, so the flavor of the ice cream might get diluted a little bit, but we are talking about color. Okay, so flavor is not the same as color. Flavor talks about the taste. We are talking about the color. Okay, so 3 will not be correct. Okay, so number 4, number 6, 7 and 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. Okay, so I'm just going to write that down.
Ma'am, picture number 9.
Ma'am,
Picture
3,
number 9,
9,
yes.
7, 4.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
picture
9,
number
7,
7.
4.
Ma'am, picture number. Ma'am, 3977.
Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, picture number 3.
7. Yes. Picture
Ma'am,
number
3, 7, 4.
7. Yes. Very good. 4. Yes. And 9. Excellent, guys. Good job. Okay. So 3, 4, 7, 9. So I'm just going to write that down. So 3, 4, 7, 9. All right. Composition. What is the meaning of composition? Yes. Very good. Faisal, Divya, Purvasha. Option number 3 for composition. Okay, what is the meaning of composition, guys? Okay, so if I say this, this, let's see, this chocolate is composed of sugar, milk, and chocolate powder. What does that mean? This chocolate is composed of sugar, milk, and chocolate powder. What is the meaning of composed? Mixture. What does it contain? So composition means what something contains. Okay. So what is changing? So it's like the internal formula is changing. Okay. So where in option number 3, what is happening? I have the ice cream. The ice cream is melting. Okay. Exactly. Ingredients. Very good, Divya. So the ice cream, when it is melted and when it is solid, it is still the same. There is only physical change. There is no chemical change. Okay. So only the state of matter from solid, it is changing to liquid. Just like when ice changes from solid, it melts and becomes water. In both the cases, it is the same. It is water in solid form and it is water in liquid form. So similarly, option number 3, it is not changing. The composition is not changing. Okay, the physical state is changing from solid to liquid, but the composition is not changing. So where is the composition changing? 2, 7, and 9. 7 and 9, yes, composition is changing. Very good. 2, I would not say composition is changing, because what the amount of liquid, the amount of cream inside the tube is reducing, but it is not the cream itself is not changing. Okay, it is the same cream that is coming out and the same cream that is inside. So that is not changing. But yeah, so 6, very good. 6, because iron is changing from iron to rust. Okay. So yeah, so 6 is a change in composition, 7 is a change in composition, and 9 is a change in composition. Even 4 is also a change in composition. Why? Because when I burn wood, what happens? I end up getting ash, right? So that ash, from wood to ash, that is a change in composition. All right. So yeah, so when I cook eggs, what happens? The proteins inside the egg will change once it is exposed to heat. Okay. Similarly, even when I cook corn, Okay, so that is also chemical change. It is not just a change in physical state. It is a change. It's a chemical change. It is burning, right? It is cooking. So cooking is always a change in composition. Okay, so number 4, 6, 7, 9. All right. So I'm just going to write that down.
Ma'am, 3.
3, internal structure. Okay. How 3?
Ma'am,
Can you
4.
tell me? Yes, 4. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, 5 also.
No, the internal structure of 5 is not changing. Okay, it is iron is there throughout. Okay, so I can actually
Ma'am,
say
7.
7. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, 8 also.
8. How?
Ma'am, by the force given by the head.
Okay, I can say that. Very good. The internal structure is changing. All right. Okay, so I'm going to say I'm not going to say 3 because again that is like a physical change. Even 8 is a physical change, but I'm not going to say 3. Ice cream is melting and some of it gets evaporated. Okay, yeah, it gets dried. Internal structure is changing. Yeah, all right. Yeah, number 3, I will give you that. Very good. So I'm just going to say 3, 4, 8, 7. 3, 4, 8, 7. All right. So let me just write that down.
Ma'am, 3.
Excellent. Yes. Very good, Purbasha. And Abhi.
Ma'am, I am Abhipragya.
Okay. Abhipragya. All right. So yeah, very good. Option 3 because it is melting. Excellent. So it is because you're changing the state from solid to liquid, right? So that is a
Ma'am,
change
4
in
also.
state. 4. 4. How is it a change in state?
Ma'am, because on burning the match candle becomes ash.
Yeah, but that is not change in state. Ash is also solid and wood is also solid. Okay. So whenever we talk about state change in state, it has to be either from solid to gas or solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or the reverse of that. Okay. All right. Number 7. Yes, it is changing from liquid to solid. Very good. All right. So I'm just going to say number 3 and 7. Okay. Option 3. Sorry, I did not. Yeah. Shape. Option 3. Yes. What else?
7.
7. Very good.
Ma'am,
Option 3 and
ma'am,
4.
8. Ma'am, 8
Yes.
also.
8 also. Yes.
Ma'am, 4.
4. Yes. 4 also.
Ma'am, 6 also.
6. Not really. Little bit, but not like major. Okay. So I'm not going to put 6. Okay, so Divya says 3, 7, 5 also. Yes, 5 also and 4. What about option number 2? Divya, can you type on the public chat instead of private? Okay, what about option number 2, guys? Is there a change in shape?
No, ma'am.
No. So when I press the tube, is the shape changing? Yes. Very
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
Divya. Yes, very good. All right. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Very good. All right. So now let us look at what natural man-made slow and fast changes are. So an example of a natural change is heartbeat. Okay. So that is a natural change. It's not man-made. It happens automatically. We don't control it. Our heart beats on its own. Okay. So another example of natural change is plants growing from seeds over a period of time. That is also a natural change. Man-made changes. Yes.
Ma'am, like that a heartbeat, so it can be blinking of eyes also.
Yes, natural change can be blinking of eyes also. It can also be a man-made change, like if I forcibly blink my eyes, then that's a man-made change. But if I
Ma'am, breathing can be the natural thing. No?
one at a time, guys. Fazil, go ahead.
Ma'am, breathing.
Ma'am, breathing can be the natural change.
Yes, breathing is a natural change. Very good. Melting of glaciers. Yes, that is a natural change.
Ma'am, rising of sun is also a natural change.
Yes, very good. Rising of sun is also a natural change. Okay, Divya, what are you saying? Floating of blood.
Ma'am, sunset.
Sorry?
Sunset.
Sunset. Yes, sunset is also a natural change. Very good. Okay, good job, guys. So, natural changes, you guys have explained it very well with examples. What about man-made changes? So, in this example, we can see a chemical reaction. So, he's mixing two substances. In this first animation, you will see he's mixing two substances and he's ending up getting like this salt, like foamy substance that is emerging from this test tube, right? So, that is a man-made change because he made it happen. Okay, burning of a candle, again, that is also a man-made change. Can you give me more examples of man-made changes?
Ma'am, hitting a ball to the bat.
Yes, hitting a ball to the bat,
We take a photo.
Ma'am, kicking the football.
kicking the football,
Ma'am, making of food.
making of
Ma'am, food.
food.
Ma'am,
Yes,
when
very good.
tossed into coke, so it's become a chemical.
Yes, very good, that is right. Cutting trees, yes, that is a man-made change. Very good. Fruits into juice, yes, that is also a man-made change. Good.
Ma'am, opening the door.
Opening the door, yes, that is also a man-made change. Good job. Okay, so very good examples, all of you. So you told me wood into door. Yes, Divya, very good. That is a man-made change as well. All right. So
Ma'am, converting wood into furniture.
yeah, converting wood into furniture. Excellent. All right, so here is an example of a slow change. So converting from seed to a plant, that happens over a period of time, and it happens, it can take a few days, it can also take a few months also for a seed to germinate and grow into a plant. So that is a slow change. Over here is an example of a fast change. So we see a baby playing with a water balloon and the balloon bursts and the baby falls to the ground. Okay, so that is an example of a fast change. So bursting of a balloon is an example of a fast change. Can you give me more examples of fast changes?
Ma'am, hitting a ball with the bat.
Yes, that is a fast change. Very good.
Ma'am, moving of fan.
Moving of fan, yes, that can be a fast change. Yes.
Ma'am, switch on. Ma'am, glowing of light. Ma'am, glowing of light. Ma'am, glowing of light.
Yes, glowing of light. Good.
Blowing balloons.
Ma'am, I cannot see the presentation.
Okay, log out and log in. If you cannot see, log out and log in. Okay, blowing of balloon, right? Is blowing of balloon a fast change?
Ma'am, sliding a door or opening a door.
Ma'am, not blowing, it's slowing.
Ma'am, sliding a door or opening a door.
Oh, okay, yes, yes.
Ma'am, kicking the football.
Ma'am, eating of food.
Yes, very good. Eating of food, is that a... Okay, I guess so, yeah.
One can blow the balloon fast and someone can blow the balloon slow also.
Yeah, but generally blowing a balloon is a slow process. So if I take a pin and I burst a balloon, and if I blow a balloon, which is faster to do?
Bursting balloon.
Exactly. So blowing a balloon, I would say, is a slow process. Okay, it's like slower. In comparison, it's slower. Otherwise, yeah, some people can blow it fast also.
Ma'am,
Okay.
movement of the needle of seconds in the watch.
Cutting the edge of a paper. Yes, I would say that is fast.
Ma'am, making a plane. Ma'am, making a paper plane.
That is a slow change. Okay.
Ma'am, clicking on mute and unmute button.
See the presentation.
Clicking on mute and unmute. That is a fast change. Good job.
Ma'am, I can't see the presentation still.
Who can't
Ma'am,
see it?
to
Ma'am,
meeting. Leaving meeting means
Dhruvi.
just click on a link.
Yeah, Dhruvi, 1 second. Vinay, Siddharth is not able to view the presentation either. I asked him to log out and log in, and that hasn't worked either.
Ma'am, can I tell the example of slow change?
Yes, you can tell me.
Ma'am, melting of ice.
Melting of ice, yes, is a slow change. Very good.
Ma'am, I know
Ma'am,
the
washing of clothes.
problem
Ma'am,
of
washing of clothes.
why they can't unmute themselves.
Ma'am, washing of clothes is a slow change.
Yes, washing of clothes, very good. Moving of a snail, making dinner.
Ma'am,
Yes, very good, guys.
Ma'am, charging a phone.
Charging of phone, yes, that is also a slow process. Yes, definitely mine is slow.
Ma'am, painting a canvas. Is a slow
Painting a
change.
canvas, yes, very good.
Ma'am, completing a cricket match or a football match.
Yes, that is a slow change.
Completing a day.
Completing a day, yes, 24 hours, right? It's a slow change. Siddharth, are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, Vinay is able to see it.
Ma'am, making of machines is a slow change.
Yes, making of machines is a slow change, yes. Purbasha, can you answer Vinay's call? He's trying to call you. Okay, so let us move on to the next slide. All right, so now we're going to do a few activities. Okay, yeah,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, can you zoom the slide?
Can I zoom the slide? No, I cannot zoom the slide, but you can zoom the slide. There is
Thank you, ma'am. How it is doing?
okay, cool. Making medicine of COVID-19. Yes, that is definitely taking a long time, and it is a very slow change. Thank you, Divya. All right, so let's look at a few activities. Okay, so the first activity is like we take a balloon and we blow it. Then the shape and size of the balloon has changed. Now what we do is we let the air escape from the balloon. Is it possible to get the balloon back to its original shape and size after we let the air out?
No, ma'am.
No, like okay, we started out with some balloon. That balloon has a particular shape and size. Then we blow the balloon.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it can be back.
मैम अगर वो मैम पूरा अच्छे से पढ़ जाएगा कैसे जाएगा
Guys, too many people talking. Please, one at a time, or it is better that you type. If you
Ma'am.
type, I'll be able to see it.
Ma'am, yes, it is a reversible change. Ma'am, it can be reversed.
Yes, so you will get back the original shape and size. Very good. Yes, Divya, very good. So it is possible to get back the balloon to its original shape and size. Yes. Okay, now let us look at activity number 2. We take a piece of paper and fold it to make an aeroplane. Now you have changed the sheet of paper into a toy. Now what you need to do is you unfold the paper. Is the size of the paper same as before we make the aeroplane?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The answer is yes.
Answer
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Ma'am, it is a reversible change.
Yes, it is a reversible change. The answer is yes.
Ma'am, it is
Very
a
good.
physical change.
It is a physical change also. Very nice. Yes. Yes, Dhruvi.
And the size is same also.
Size is same also. Very good. Yes. Purvasha, log out of the classroom. Yeah, okay. So Purvasha, log out of the classroom, log in again, select microphone and allow access to mic. Okay, so now let us look at activity number 3. Okay, you take some dough and you make a ball. So what is the meaning of dough?
Ma'am, it is like atta dough.
Exactly. Basically, what you make rotis or chapatis out of, right? So that is called dough. So you take some dough and you make a ball and you try to roll out a roti. Okay. You are not happy with the shape of that roti.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, Purvasha, I can hear you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your help.
No, Vinay, thank you. Thank Vinay.
Yes, ma'am, it is possible to get the dough back.
Yeah. So
Yes, ma'am.
correct. So
Possible.
you're not happy with the shape of the roti. And you're not happy, so what do? You roll it back. So can you get back the
Yes, ma'am.
original shape of the
We
ball?
can, yes, ma'am.
We
Yes,
can get the
Ma'am, so
root.
it is a physical reversible change.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, very good.
Reversible.
Yes, they are all physical reversible changes. Excellent, guys.